You ever seen a naked mole rat? Looks like a hot dog somebody forgot at the gas station. Ain't got no hair, no shame, just wrinkles and attitude. But here's the crazy part. This little pink sausage lives 40 years. 40. That's like if a hamster outlived your grandpa.
Never fear America. Billy Bob loves science, and he's here to teach you some.
Scientists finally figured out why. Turns out the mole rat hacked aging. It's got this enzyme called cGAS. Sounds like a rapper, but it's really a DNA repair guy. And most of us, cGAS gets stressed out when your DNA breaks and just quits. Nah, man, I'm done. But the mole rat's cGAS, that dude stays calm, keeps working, fixes the mess, and then probably goes out for drinks. And how did it do this? 4 tiny amino acids, 4 out of thousands. That's like changing 4 words in your resume and suddenly you're CEO. They even put those same changes in fruit flies. Boom, longer life. So this wrinkly mole rat just proved you don't need Botox, you need better code. Now here's where it gets deep. Think about your life, your job, your marriage, your country. We age because our systems stop fixing stuff. We ignore the small cracks. That's how your roof leaks, your friendships leak, your democracy leaks. The mole rat teaches us catch the damage early and you don't fall apart later. We keep trying to live longer by buying supplements, building bunkers, or electing 80-year-olds who promise they'll never die. The mole rat says, relax, man. Fix your DNA, not your Instagram filter. And here's the punchline. This miracle of biology lives underground, blind, eating roots. No fame, no TikTok, no billionaire lab, just vibes and good repair skills. Maybe immortality isn't about power or money. Maybe it's about maintenance. So yeah, stay ugly, stay humble, fix your problems early, and you might just outlive the haters. And if that wisdom hits home, don't go looking for a fountain of youth. Hit that subscribe button instead. I can't promise immortality, but I can promise more stories where science meets comedy and maybe saves your DNA, or at least your day